Hello everyone, Namaste. My name is Richa and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in this video I am going to show you how I did my 90s makeup look. So please tune in and let's get started. Okay, so I am using lactocalamine to prep my face before the makeup. Please apply it around 5 to 10 minutes ago. And don't forget to apply a lip balm on your lips. Okay, so I am using Lakme's Fit Me foundation. Apply it all over your face and please don't forget your neck. It's really important. I mostly use my fingers to merge all the foundation, but today I'm using this brush and it also works really well. Now I'm using Lakme's compact powder. Now this is my favorite thing to do, apply a lot of blusher on your cheek and it automatically makes me smile. I am using Maybelline's contouring palette to contour my cheek and my nose. Blend your contour upwards so it merges properly. My nose tip is a little circle, so that's why it's really important for me to contour my nose and a little bit of my forehead also. Now I am applying nude color lipstick as my base for my lips and my upper lids. Now I'm applying red lip liner. Now I have applied maroon lipstick, but it looks drastic right now, so I am applying red lipstick on top of it. Still not getting it, so I am applying now nude lipstick. Okay, so I guess I like my lips now and we can move ahead. So it's eyeshadow time. I'm applying copper color eyeshadow on the I am using foundation and applying it on middle of my eyelid. And blending them properly. Now I will let it dry for a while and move on to my eyebrows. I'm sorry that they are really bushy right now, but really can't do anything because we all know that it's quarantine time. moving on to my eyeshadows again, I'm using a maroon color eyeshadow and applying it on the middle of my eyelid where I applied foundation earlier. Now I am taking really a pretty golden color eyeshadow and merging the copper one and the maroon one together. I anyhow managed to apply eyeliner without looking in any mirror or something. I just looked at my phone and did it. So, a pretty good job. I went for winged eyeliner because it is really appropriate for the 90s look. I used eyelash curler. If you have it, then use it, and if you don't, then it is fine. Just remember to use your mascara wand upwards. I mean, roll it upwards very slowly so it gives you curly lashes. Fun fact, I have always managed to poke my mascara wand in my eyes. I'm using dark brown eyeshadow on my lower lids and then moving on with applying black eyeshadow on the corner of my lower lid. And then I'm applying mascara on my lower lashes as well. Okay guys, last but not the least, it's highlighter time. You can apply it anywhere you want. Your cheekbones, your nose, your upper lips, your chin, your forehead, your collarbones. I mean anywhere and everywhere you want. Tada! The 90s makeup look is ready. If you like this video, so please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. Guys, take care and I'll see you soon.